at a time when technology is in style. With computers and cell phones everywhere, we rekindle the past moments. At Flanko, we bring back the fundamentals of watchmaking, assembling memorable timepieces from the heart.
We want to create something that's one of a kind, timeless, and exceptional build quality.
Simple yet sophisticated. It has a familiar look, but it clearly stands out. Designed in Seattle, we have combined the simplicity of the modern timepiece with the complexity of a traditional automatic movement. The watch itself is a cornucopia of delectable elements, hand-assembled in all of its glory. Notice the sturdy 42mm watch case cradles the glass in 316L surgical steel. Marvel over the glass as it shields its face from scratches with a mold hardness rating of 9, just one below diamond. Admire the skeleton back as it unveils the heart of the watch. One can truly appreciate the dance of moving pieces performing the functions of present time for all to see. Let this watch serve its place as a debut of your watch collection. Over the past year, our team has been dedicated to perfect manufacturing techniques and ensure our quality. All of our watches are 100% backed by a 2-year warranty. By pressing the Back This Project button, you will get a Flanko Essential Series or a Flanko Prime Series watch at our discounted price.
We're asking for your pledge of support to bring our design and our vision into reality. Thank you. We're looking forward to share our journey with you soon.